Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is take two of this unboxing, which shipped from Greenfield, Indiana, from Walmart.com. This is a Christmas purchase for my mom. Tomorrow's Christmas. Today's Christmas Eve. I realized that I still had this on Zoom from a previous video when I was recording my puppy playing with a bone. And so yeah, you definitely don't want this in Zoom. This is the Long Long trailer starring Lucille Ball and Desi Arnaz. This is from 1954. This is a classic movie. My mom and I, my grandma, we would watch this a lot when I was younger. It's been a long time, but it was a good movie. So yeah, I got this for a Christmas gift for her. This shipped from Greenfield, Indiana. I don't think I've ever been there. I live in South Bend, Indiana. It's probably about 3 or 4 hours away, but I do. The one thing that the bullet point that strikes me when I think of Greenfield is they had a Mexican buffet, so that's on my list of something to definitely check out. Mexican food buffet. What are some of your favorite movies? Do you love this movie? Is this your favorite Lucille Ball movie or Desi Arnaz movie? Leave a comment below and let me know. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can go to riptapparel.com or onceuponatea.net. Find your shirts of choice and use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code. You'll save a couple bucks off every shirt, and I get a couple bucks in credit. I want to say thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, hit the notification bell, and have a great day.